Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of you have asked for, small bathroom design ideas. Whether you're dealing with a tiny bathroom, a mini bathroom, or a compact small bathroom design for home, this video is packed with inspiration to help you maximize every inch of space without breaking the bank. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video if you love home design content and subscribe to the channel for more creative, budget-friendly design tips every single week. Let's kick things off with small bathroom design ideas, low budget. You don't need a massive budget to create a beautiful space. Think about using light-colored small bathroom tiles design ideas to make the space feel bigger and brighter. Add a mirror to reflect more light, and go for floating shelves to keep things off the floor. Now, if you're working with specific dimensions, like a small bathroom design ideas 6'4" or small bathroom design ideas 4'8", the key is smart planning. In a 6x4 setup, a corner sink or a wall-mounted vanity can save a lot of space. In a 4x8 layout, you can even fit in a small bathroom design ideas with bathtub if you go with a compact soaking tub or a corner unit. For those working with a small bathroom design ideas 4x4, consider a wet room layout where the entire space is waterproof and the shower area blends seamlessly with the rest of the bathroom. This is also a great setup for tiny bathroom with shower and toilet combinations. Now, let's talk about the small bathroom design ideas middle class. A practical and stylish middle class bathroom focuses on function first. Use affordable tile options, such as ceramic or vinyl, and keep your fixtures simple but elegant. Add a touch of luxury with a patterned backsplash or a statement light fixture. If you're doing a small bathroom makeover or even a full mini bathroom renovation, try updating the tiles. Some trending small bathroom tiles design and mini bathroom tiles design ideas include geometric patterns, subway tiles, and even vertical layouts to make the ceiling appear higher. Now, for those of you with really limited space, let's go over some clever tiny bathroom design ideas and mini bathroom design ideas. Use wall-mounted toilets, floating sinks, and built-in niches for storage. These are perfect for a mini bathroom design or even a mini toilet design in a guest room or under the stairs. Don't underestimate the power of styling. Small bathroom decorating ideas, tiny bathroom decorating ideas, and even mini bathroom decorating ideas can totally change the vibe. Add a plant, a cozy rug, or some art on the wall. Small touches go a long way. Next up, small bathroom interior design ideas and tiny bathroom design. Minimalism is your best friend. Stick to a neutral color palette, avoid clutter, and use smart storage solutions like ladder shelves or corner units. These ideas also apply to a mini bathroom set or when you're mini bathroom making from scratch. Need more function? Small bathroom organization is key. Use over-the-door storage, under-sink drawers, and tiered trays to keep everything tidy and accessible. For those in rural settings, small bathroom design in village homes can still look stunning. Use natural materials like wood and stone, and choose a mini bathroom geyser if you need a hot water solution that doesn't take up much space. Last but not least, for those wanting a little luxury, a tiny bathroom with bathtub is totally doable. Just go with a freestanding tub or one that's deep but short. It can really elevate your space, especially when paired with a stylish tiny bathroom makeover. And there you have it. From small bathroom decor to full tiny bathroom ideas, there's something here for everyone, no matter your budget or your space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got tons more tips and tricks coming your way for every room in the house. Drop your questions or bathroom struggles in the comments. I'd love to help out.